Welcome to Synthesio University. In this video, we will be discussing how to benchmark campaign performance on social. There are three central ways to benchmark campaigns. The first is to use volume metrics to understand how well social campaigns are getting buzz on social media. By looking at volume donuts as well as volume timelines, you can not only understand how a current campaign is performing, but also compare it against previous campaigns as well as competitor campaigns. This social data can be paired with ad data, so you understand not only how things are performing online, but also within the social landscape. The second tactic is to use potential reach or awareness metrics. In Synthesio, you can measure the potential reach of any message. Now, potential reach is based on the audience of the people speaking, so you can get an understanding of how many people could have seen a message. By measuring trends in potential reach or awareness, we can understand whether a message is hitting a lot of people or is going into a black hole. We can pair this with website or TV rating metrics. Are we seeing the same expected share of visibility that we see on other types of media? The final tactic is engagement rate. Engagement rate takes into account true interactions with social posts, so we can understand more or less a true reach. By looking at engagement rate, we can see which campaigns are performing well, above expectations, and which ones are performing poorly, below expectations. We can even A/B test our campaigns based on the language or the hashtags that we're using. Now, this organic data can be paired with influencer campaign and paid social data, so you get not only an earned engagement rate, but also a paid engagement rate based on what you are putting out there through influencers and own channels. Because buzz is critical to campaign success, we always need to look historically and comparatively to understand how a campaign compares to expectations. This is where we would layer in timeline metrics based off of the metrics that we've already shown you today. We can understand the long tail of campaign performance over time and get a better understanding of what performs well, what lasts longer, and what dies off quickly.